This is a paper claw. Today I am showing you how to make it. Let's just put these aside for now. Okay, so first you fold it down. Then you fold it like that. Then you do it the other way. Then you undo it. Now, what you can do now is you have to get down these corners and make it into a triangle. Now it will look like this. Now you can fold the corner up to here. So, just like this. Do the same thing on the other side. And now just fold it the other way. Then you fold it in half. Okay, so you don't fold it upwards like that, you fold it down. Now, you don't do it on the other way. Here's the thing. You fold it over this line, like that, again, until they line up. And now, this one right here has to get tucked in to this. And go all the way. So maybe to make it a bit easier,